Hi guys, it's me here again, Vanessa. If you're new to my channel, please click the bell notification down below and smash it. So, I'm here right now at Alarin Wild Park. So I'm gonna show you some of the animals. Those are the flamingos.
Is
Look
the
at
greater
the
flamingo. I don't know how they survive,
flamingos.
which is the water is so dirty.
Look at that flamingos.
They are cute, but they are tall. I don't know. And over there,
Flamingos.
Excuse me.
nice.
So, see, this is the wild park. So, there guys. Tingnan nyo lang. Titingin kayo.
Thank you.
Me too, Jessa. Take me a picture on your phone because you have nice phone.
Wala talaga sa plano itong pumunta dito. Karami.
Yep. Go, Aura.
Don't blame me if you have car. You have to blame Jessa, okay?
Nice. We still have ako 1 hour and 15 minutes. Doon ka na. Pizza. Upo ka na. Kasi marami pa tayong puntahan.
Be, meron kayong sasakyan dito, Beb. Pwede
Hindi ko alam kung tuloy. Sige, doon na. Uy, gusto ko yung nakatungtong sa dulo.
Kikit nila.
Sige, upo.
Ay, oo, meron. Ano yun?
Di ba?
Akala ko ano yun.
Akala mo
Tanggalin
statue lang.
naman.
Oo.
Di ba yung dalawa doon sa sa dulo, yun sa kabila.
Akala ko ano sila. Akala ko yung ano lang. Hindi sila flamingo. They are ghosts.
Si Sen, ba't hindi kayo nagyaya? Ang layo mo. Sabi ko kung wala nga sa plano.
See guys. Hey.